Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I am Carol Massler along with Tim Stanovic. Let's get a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter and deputy team leader for U.S. equities. She is Carmen Reinecke, and she is there in our Bloomberg Interactive Broker studio. Let's talk about some stocks on the move, Carmen. Let's talk about Take-Two.
Yeah.
Certainly active in the aftermarket.
Very active in the aftermarket. So Take-Two Interactive Software, which is ticker TTWO. It's down about 7% right now after it had an earnings report, which also included it saying that it's postponing Grand Theft Auto 6 again to November 2026. So this game is something that's been highly anticipated by players and Wall Street investors. They've already pushed back the release of it previously, which also had sort of negative implications for the stock. So not surprising to see this sell-off here, and really sort of overshadowed their earnings. They reported bookings that beat estimates and also adjusted earnings that beat estimates.
All right, so Take-Two, we're seeing a big move. Oh, and we also have some news on Tesla, which I know Carmen is watching, but Tim, you want to break the headlines?
Yeah, Tesla shareholders have approved Elon Musk's $1 trillion pay package, this crossing just about 5 minutes to 5 o'clock Wall Street time. Carmen, any reaction that we're seeing right now for Tesla in the after hours?
Pretty big spike in shares right now. Obviously, we'll keep watching it. I'm seeing it up about 2%. Obviously, this is a huge deal for Tesla and something I was looking at before, just in anticipation of this.
A huge deal, too, for Elon Musk, right?
Yes, definitely. It's a pretty big number. Options traders were pricing in a 4 to 5% move in either direction. So this is one I'm going to keep an eye on in the after hours here to see if it keeps moving.
All right, looking at shares of Tesla, as you mentioned, moving higher in the after hours, which is surprising to me, Carol, because this was kind of priced in. I was checking the I thought it was priced in. I was checking the prediction markets ahead of time, and Kalshi had it at over 90% that this would
for
be
Tesla.
For Tesla would be
I think,
approved.
We've had a lot of conversations, I feel like, over the last couple of weeks in the lead up to this. And I think the thing was that Tesla isn't Tesla without Elon Musk in a big way. And I think the expectation was that this was going to happen.
That's what a lot of supporters of Elon Musk say.
Yes, but even I feel like members of our team. But the other thing is there's parameters. Like he's got to hit certain metrics in order for that pay package to play out over, is it a decade or so? I forget what the timeline Carmen is on that, but there are some metrics he's got to hit in order to get all of that money.
Yeah, no, you're right. And I think it also sort of goes to show, the positive stock reaction goes to show that investors really like when Elon is focused on Tesla, when he's not doing other things and it has their full attention. And so this is, I think, hopefully a nod that it will get that from him going forward. One more that I was looking at in after hours this evening.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Sorry, Carmen, go ahead.
Was Expedia. So that's ticker EXPE. And I wanted to point this one out. So shares are up about 14% in after hours, really big move. And it's coming after the company raised its full year outlook for gross bookings and revenue, and specifically signaling that strong travel trends are continuing into the holiday quarter. Obviously travel, I think, has been a really huge thing that everybody's watching this year. And right now, we're having issues with airlines, but people are still spending money and they're trying to travel. So that's flowing through for Expedia.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.